Oh my god, guys. I swear to God, I'm emotional right now. I knew that was early. Son of a gun. No! Dude, I'm telling you, he deletes me sometimes. I have to do better on that. I have to remember there's a very last attack. That was where everything went to poop. Spamming, guys. He's spamming. The belly flops get me, guys. I'm getting bad belly flops, man. I feel like I need to be more on the right of him. It's positioning. I know what I gotta do. I already know. Alright. That sucks. Second verse. Better than the first. Right here. Nope. Unrelenting heat-seeking flame. Yeah, it came twice, man. It came twice. Did it not come twice? Yeah. If you're just getting here, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. This is my 20th Elden Beast attempt. Yet only my second no summons playthrough. NG plus 8. Guys, that's the best attempt so far today. It's getting better. What I did probably wasn't optimum. But I think I'm approaching it. See the dam? She missed it, though. I don't know if I should have drank there. Wow, I almost really blew that. Wow, how was that out of a... I suck at the transition, guys. I suck at the transition. Come on, let's go. Let's go! That was dumb. I'm not even two-handed. Oh, I am two-handed. No, I'm not two-handed. Now I'm two-handed. Yeah, he's doing the dumb thing. 8 pots. Should I top off? We haven't run out of pots yet, guys. It's something to consider. Do I have time? Because okay. The timing's weird when it's close, guys. I got it off last time, right? Is there a reason why you're supposed to run fast? I always feel like there's a little break right there. I saw that coming, guys. I saw it coming, and I know I can't punish it with the long attack. So I could punish if I get in there quick enough! Come on! No. Okay. Oh, I should have topped off. And I shouldn't have let him hit me right there. That's okay. How we doing on mana? We got mana. We got health. Belly flop coming. This might be it. Or it's going to be close. Just focus. Just focus! Yeah, baby! 20th Elden Beast! You saw it here! Oh my god! I want a freaking drink. Guys, we freaking did it! We freaking did it, man. Oh my god. I swear to god, I wish I could fake this. I wish I was a freaking good streamer, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. We freaking did it with that build, man. With that build, Cat was the one that brought this this freaking weapon to us, man. Cat was the one that said try it, man. And she said you're not doing the skill enough. Oh my god, guys. I swear to god I'm emotional right now. I'm so shaking, man. I'm so shaking. Dude, that last belly flop would have killed me. Man, if you want to see more of this stuff, just do all these little buttons, man. Like, follow, comment, subscribe, and you'll get more. Love you guys. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for being here, man. If you guys like what you see, like, follow, comment, subscribe. Press every button you can find. Press the buttons, folks. Press the buttons or the kitten gets it.